everybody, it's Michelle, and I'm so excited to be starting on Easter projects today. Our first project is a beading project. We're going to make an Easter bunny, and I think it is so cute and so much fun. I think you guys are going to love it. So what I've got here is a 12 millimeter round wood bead, a 10 millimeter round wood bead, and then I've got my 6 by 12 millimeter teardrop wood beads. These are the ones that I used in my mushroom bead charm video, and I'll put a link to those so you guys can get those if you want to. And the round ones here I just got in a wood bead multi-pack from Walmart. And then I've got a 6 millimeter cupped flower sequin in white, and that's just going to kind of be our little cottontail for our bunny. I've got about 4 little seed beads here, number 6 seed beads, just to go down inside of the wooden beads because the hole is so large, and that will kind of keep it from wobbling around on my head pin. And I've got 2 of those in a 2-inch length. So to create our bunny, we're going to take both of our head pins and we're just going to use both of these together as one until we get to the ears and we can separate them. So the first thing to go on is going to be my cupped sequin, the little flower shape, so that can be our bunny tail. And you can see when you push those up all the way, they kind of want to separate. So we're going to use our seed beads here kind of for 2 reasons. They're going to take up the space to keep those large whole beads from wobbling, like I said before, but it's also going to keep these head pins together so that they don't spread out until we want them to. So I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of those. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my 12 millimeter round wood bead and just kind of make sure that that goes down snugly over those seed beads. And you can see our little bunny's cotton tail. If you guys wanted to, you could paint the ends of your head pins white with a white paint pen if you wanted to, and they won't show up as much. It's not going to show much anyway because it's going to be hanging upright, but that sequin also helps hold that larger bead on there. So then I'm going to put my smaller bead, the 10 millimeter, for the bunny's head. And then I'm just going to put some more of those down in there. I think the hole on that one might be a little bit too small. Let me see if I can get another one. This one looks like it may work. It's a little bit different color, but these are hidden inside and it really doesn't matter what color you use. So I'm just going to take that and kind of push that. Whoops. Okay. So I see that kind of wedged it in there for us, and that'll work too. Whatever will hold that in there for us. And then once we get to that part, we can kind of separate those a little bit and put our bunny ears on. So those go pointed in down, one on each. And you can see how that forms our Easter bunny. Ain't that cute? I just love that. Now you want to make sure that your head pins are pressed all the way up in there. And then going to hold these snugly, both at the same time, because if we do one first and we just hold it snugly, it's going to kind of go down in that hole, which we do have it wedged up pretty good with that seed bead, so we shouldn't have too much of a problem. So I'm going to make sure everything is down snug and bend that, and then make sure that one's down snug and bend it, and then we can cut those off and make our loops. Leaving about 1/4 inch on each one. And then with your round nose pliers, roll that into a loop. And roll the other one. And there you have your little Easter bunny. You can kind of move his ears around and get them spread out the way you want them. Make sure our loops are facing the same way. And if you wanted to, you could take this bunny and hook a piece of chain here and a piece of chain here to create a necklace, the way that we did with our bow tie necklace. That would be really cute. Or you could just put a lobster clasp or a bell on one side and let him sort of hang a little bit sideways on the necklace, or whatever you want to do with that. But I think he's really, really cute. So you guys leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my bunny bead charm. I think it's just adorable. And I can't wait to do more Easter crafts. I'm really having a lot of fun with some of the ideas. And if you guys have any suggestions, be sure to leave a comment and let me know that too, and I'll see what I can do. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell next to that so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.